spoken English. Guys, we have a series of 15th August under which 5-6 lectures are to be given. Today we have a lecture on Mahatma Gandhi and national leader. So obviously Mahatma Gandhi was the key figure in Indian independence movement. Gandhi ji was key figure. He was the hero of millions of people in the freedom movement of India. So Gandhi ji was certainly a hero. And about Gandhi ji, he was born in 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat, and then after high school he went to England to study law. There he studied law for 5 years and became a barrister, and came to India and started practice in Ahmedabad. But he was not successful as a lawyer, as an advocate. He went to South Africa in connection with some relatives, and there he had known so many things about the politics and what we call the racial discrimination, quarrel between black and white, and how he suffered in the hands of white. So Gandhiji started Satyagraha there and lot of things. Gandhiji had a book, My Experiment with Truth. This is the My Experiment with Truth. This is his noble book, Experiment with Truth. सत्य के साथ अभ्यास, सत्य का ये एक किताब है एक्सपेरिमेंट. It became very popular because it was written by Mahatma Gandhi with utmost sincerity and truth, I say. So गांधी जी जो है ये इसमें इन्होंने सारी चीज़ें लिखी हैं, कैसे वो पढ़ने के लिए गए, कैसे उन्होंने स्ट्रगल किया, कैसे हाउ ही वाज इन साउथ इंडिया, हाउ ही फेस्ड humiliation in South India, how he was not allowed to travel by train, and he was just thrown out from the train to the platform. So many things are there, but it is we have not much space to talk about here in this lecture, because we have to talk about other things. I want to discuss the philosophy of Mahatma Gandhi. महात्मा गांधी किस लिए जाने जाते हैं, ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है. तो गांधी जी वाज नोन बाय फॉर नॉन वायलेंस. गांधी जी ने अहिंसा का सिद्धांत दिया. हिज प्रिंसिपल फॉर नॉन वायलेंस वर्क वेरी सक्सेसफुली इन द इंडियन इंडिपेंडेंस मूवमेंट. अहिंसा मतलब हम किसी पर वार नहीं करेंगे, किसी को जो है फिजिकली टॉर्चर नहीं करेंगे, मेंटली टॉर्चर नहीं करेंगे, इवन इमोशनली किसी तरह से हम टॉर्चर नहीं करेंगे. दिस इज नॉन वायलेंस, अहिंसा. सिविल डिसोबीडियंस, गांधी मीन्स दैट इफ यू डू नॉट ओबे मी, इफ यू डू नॉट फुलफिल माई डिमांड्स, तो वी विल गो फॉर सिविल डिसोबीडियंस. हम काम करना बंद कर देंगे और सब जगह हम कहीं भी काम नहीं करेंगे, और बिल्कुल एकदम अराजकता की स्थिति तैयार हो जाएगी, और लोग सफ़र करेंगे और रियलाइज़ करेंगे हमारी इम्पोर्टेंस को. तो सिविल डिसोबीडियंस का मतलब होता है काम नहीं करना, जो आदेश दे रहे हैं उसका ओबीडियंस कर देना. और सेल्फ रिलायंस का मतलब होता है आत्मनिर्भर बनना. आत्मनिर्भर का मतलब है कि हम कपड़े के लिए इंग्लैंड पर डिपेंड करते थे, बहुत सारी चीज़ों पर के लिए बहुत सारे लोगों पर डिपेंड करते थे. वी कैन मेक आवर ओन थिंग्स फॉर आवर ओन यूज़ एंड देन बिकम इंडिपेंडेंट. So Mahatma Gandhi had this practice. He started weaving cloth. वो चरखा काटने शुरू किए और देन कपड़ा अपने से बनाने लगे, साबुन बनाना शुरू कर दी, अपने अपनी काम की अपनी ज़रूरत की चीज़ें और गांधी जी ने खुद बनाना शुरू किए. विद द रिजल्ट दिस मूवमेंट गेव हेवी लॉस टू इंग्लैंड. कॉमर्शियली इट वॉज broken, and England had to suffer heavy loss because England had lot of profit, had a business from India, so that business suffered. So these are the three principles of Mahatma Gandhi that become very popular. Now we come to the people who were, of course, influenced, were influenced by Mahatma Gandhi's philosophy, and they are very well known. They are also very important leaders. Jawaharlal Nehru was one. Yesterday I told that Jawaharlal Nehru was a great follower of Mahatma Gandhi, and he loved Gandhi ji so much. And after his death, he thought that once if Bapu had been not there, how country would be run. So Jawaharlal Nehru was the first disciple, yes, a follower of Mahatma Gandhi. Second was, and Jawaharlal Nehru, of course, was the first Prime Minister of independence India. So he was the first. He also believed in the same thing, that non-violence should be there, then civil disobedience should be there, and then self-reliance will be there. So these things are to be observed. So that was the one thing. And then Subhash Chandra Bose, the second leader who was influenced by Mahatma Gandhi's philosophy of life, was Subhash Chandra Bose. Although Subhash Chandra Bose was later on considered a rebellion, but in the hearts of heart, Subhash Chandra Bose also respected Mahatma Gandhi very much. हम सुभाष चंद्र बोस को हम उनके एग्रेसिव नेचर से जानते हैं, उनके जो है वायलेंस के उसमें जानते हैं कि he wanted to win with the help of what we call force. He wanted to have force. So that is one thing. Another point that I want to discuss is that who was influenced by Mahatma Gandhi was Lala Lajpat Rai. Lala Lajpat Rai was an Indian political leader. He went along to achieve success in the freedom movement of India. Lala Lajpat Rai was, and then Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh also had a great. Bhagat Singh was also influenced by Mahatma Gandhi, although he was also known for this violence, like what we call, say, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. He was also later on turned and became rebellion and said that no, we cannot do things for English people. We also want tit for tat. If they are doing injustice to us, we are to restore. We have to give a reply. So Bhagat Singh was there. Bhagat Singh, you may say that Bhagat Singh, he bombed in a court. So that was not the intention of Bhagat Singh to kill the people. His intention was to awake the British people. And to awake the British people, he just threw the bomb. Never intended to kill anyone. So that means he had also influenced by Mahatma Gandhi. Non-violence, civil disobedience, self-reliance, all three were in them also. And then again we have Khan Abdul Ghaffar. Yes, Khan Abdul Ghaffar was a great disciple of Mahatma Gandhi. As long as he was there, he just acted like Mahatma Gandhi. He was true Gandhian. He believed in non-violence. He believed in civil disobedience. He walked hand in hand with the people of India along with Mahatma Gandhi, and had a great contribution in the freedom movement of India. So this is and the last but not least is Sarojini Naidu. She was the only lady in that time who walked in the street along with the women wearing khadi dress and showing that she was a follower of Gandhi. So she was true Gandhi. And Sarojini Naidu was also very simple lady. He had high thought then he wanted that the country should be free and the people of India should live a happy life, a free life, and life that is totally free from the British Empire. So this is all for today, guys. Thank you very much. We have seen how Mahatma Gandhi was the key figure, and how Mahatma Gandhi influenced other leaders, and how we were successful in getting freedom, the battle of freedom, winning the battle for freedom. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.